In this module, you will learn about Newton's second law of motion. Remember period films, where we often saw columns of armies who used huge logs to break down the gates of a fort. The group of men holding the log goes back a fair distance from the gate. Then, they run to the gate to ram the log into the gate for maximum impact. The velocity and the mass of the log together provide enough momentum to break the gates down. The momentum of this army column differs at different points in their run-up to the gate. Although the mass of the log is constant, their velocity is increasing constantly. That is, they are accelerating. Another example is when actors in movies perform stunts, such as breaking down a door. The momentum of an object increases when it accelerates. Therefore, the rate of change of momentum depends on the acceleration of the object. Newton's second law of motion states that the rate of change of an object is proportional to the applied force and takes place in the same direction of the applied force. Find this law using an example. Observe this billiard table. The yellow ball is at rest right now. However, when the cue ball hits the yellow ball, it is set into motion. After being hit, the cue ball moves with less velocity while the yellow ball moves with more velocity. Thus, there is a change in velocity of both the balls, that is, a change in their momentum. Actually, the direction of motion of the yellow ball is the same as the direction of motion of the cue ball. Now let's observe what happens when the cue hits the yellow ball with more force. As you can see, the yellow ball now moves a longer distance than the last time, before coming to rest again. Thus, when the force applied by the cue ball increases, the momentum of the ball increases as well. Hence, we can say that the rate of change in momentum of an object is proportional to the force applied on it. A lot of our actions are based on the second law of motion.